I'm out here with Logan Wood, and we're going down the road. And Logan, you forgot your trailer.
Uh-oh.
Ah, man. So silly. We're out here bobtailing, and one thing you need to know about bobtail is it can be just as dangerous as pulling a trailer. You think you're out here in your, bobtail sport coupe and everything's okay and nothing can hurt you, but bobtailing has its own kind of risks. You don't have any weight over those drive wheels, and that's where most of your braking force is. So when you step on the brake, you don't have any brakes. Especially if it's raining, it's snowy, it's icy. You don't have the brakes you think you do. The closest I ever came to hurting somebody driving a big truck is bobtailing in the rain. I step on the brakes, think I'm going to stop. Nope. Ended up going off on the shoulder next to the person. Also, jake brake. Come on, man! Don't be the dummy that uses a jake brake in a bobtail. Okay, you just sound silly. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, bobtailing on the rain, the snow, the ice is don't take that for granted. Okay, it's not the bobtail sport coupe.